Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Thank you for your support. If you're new here, kindly subscribe, hit on the notification button so you don't miss out on this and more. So today we are doing bubble braids. Yeah, as you can see, they look bubblish. So here is the process. Hope you enjoy and learn. So guys, we are using fluffy kinky. You start by combing it out until it's soft enough like natural hair, and then you crochet it under the matuta. Make sure you hide the real hair inside, just like that. Then take a small thin fluffy kinky and start going round and round. Yeah, you understand? Yes, just like that. Thank you so much for your company, guys. Thank you for staying here. Thank you for your subscription. Thank you. I hope you have learned one or two things how to do bubble braids. I like the fact that they are so light. They're not heavy. They might look like bulky, but trust me, it's not heavy at all. So we actually used 5 packets of long fluffy kinky. The reason why I love long fluffy kinky is because you can reach your desired length easily without keep on adding and adding. Yeah, so this is the outcome. I love it so much.